channel. This is Udit Raj. So basically, I'm going to create a playlist for solving the SQL interview questions which are commonly asked in any interview, and they are very important because a lot of interviews which I have given people mostly focus. They ask the individuals to write some SQL queries, and people usually focus on programming languages like Python and C++, and they're basically do not give much attention to SQL, but it has become very important. So let's quickly start with the first most common interview question: the difference between rank and dense rank. So for sample, I have created an employee table with columns like ID, name, salary, values, and it has some what's the salary of the employee. Okay, so the first difference between rank and dense rank is, and I think it's the only difference. Uh, when I do rank on any of the column, you see the people or the person who received the same salary, they got the same tie rank. That's okay. But when we talk about David, David is having lesser salary, and we have done on ranking on the order by salary in a descending manner. It got 8 skipped. Okay, so this is with rank, like equal number of like ranked columns, they get assigned the same rank, but the next in the iteration it gets skipped the next number, and that's not the difference between dense rank. Okay, so just let me write one more query. I will just quickly copy paste and I will show the difference there. Okay, it's like very simple syntax. Let me write here dnk. Okay, whatever. Now let me just run this query. Okay, so now you see we have no skipping. Okay, we have no skipping, like these two people, they achieved the same salary, they got the same rank. It's okay. And now we have David, and David should have got 8 if we would have used just normal rank. But that's the basically the difference between rank and dense rank. There's no skipping in dense rank. In the next iteration, it does not get skipped. The value does not skip. Now, looking at this thing, can you tell me like which is computationally faster, rank and dense rank? Can you please tell? So, just looking at this thing, like if we try to understand it from an algorithm purpose, like rank has to basically take care of the skips which are happening. Like it has to basically move from the 8 to it has to skip 8. It has to worry about the next iteration when the previous two iterations are having the same value. Like if you see in this case of Alice and Grace, but it has to take care about 8. But dense rank doesn't care, so dense rank is basically computationally faster. So that's the primary difference between rank and dense rank, and it's the most common interview questions. And also, I just wanted to point out, uh, aliases are very useful when you have a very big table name like employee, or suppose it was very long name, something like this, employee underscore whatever blah blah. So you can define aliases in MySQL like this. It's very helpful in your coding questions on interview and HackerRank. So that's all with the first video. I hope you got the concepts.